The graph of the periodic function f of x is shown above, or in this case below because I stole this from the internet. Determine the period of f of x. The period is where the process repeats itself. So what you want to do is we see that this is a process that goes up and down, and it repeats itself over time. Now, what we want to do is we want to pick a spot where it's obvious that it repeats itself. And a lot of people might be like, how about 0? Well, if you pick 0, that's great and all, but you don't see an entire completed period when you pick 0. So either pick a peak or a bottom. So I'll pick the peak. And it goes down and above and repeats itself there. Okay, so the easiest way probably to figure out how long this period is you take the largest value, pi over 12, and you subtract the smaller value, so minus negative pi over 4. Okay, I'm not going to be like, let's count how many spaces. That's an option that you can do, but this is something you learned back in Algebra 1 with a number of lines. You just subtract. It's probably easier that way. What I'll do is I'll multiply u by 3 over 3 to make you able to, combine fractions. So this is pi over 12. A double negative becomes a positive 3 pi over 12. That becomes 4 pi over 12 because a pi plus 3 pi is 4 pi's. And 4 pi over 12 simplifies to pi over 3 like so. Periodic functions.